Good morning guys, my name is Alex and I am here to do a quick video on how to install carpets. So first thing first, you're gonna measure out the room lengthwise and widthwise. You're gonna cut the carpet a little bit over the measurements just so you have a little extra to cut and tag underneath the baseboards. Once you have done that, you're gonna apply the glue on half of the room and drop your carpet on half side. Fold the other half on top just so you could apply the glue on the other half of the room, and here we're quickly going to show you how to apply the glue on the floor. This pill you're seeing here is the glue that we'll be using today. This is a 3300 all-purpose adhesive, construction adhesive. It's good for a lot of things, and this is how we're going to be applying the glue on the floor itself. So you grab your trowel and just apply the glue back and forth. Make sure you cover all the areas of the floor so that way there will not be any bubbles once you put the carpet down. As you guys can see, the glue has been applied, and now we are going to fold the other half of the carpet and see how that goes. And here we are. The other half has also been laid down, all corners perfectly overlapping. Once you get that, you're gonna have to cut in a precise manner just a few centimeters over the baseboard so you can tag it underneath the baseboard and make sure it's all nice and neat. Also keep in mind, when you are doing this, tug everything underneath the baseboard. Also the door transition, as you guys can see, the little piece of metal between the tile and the carpet, all of the carpet has to go underneath that middle transition. That way you don't have anything folding off on you afterwards, and everything has got to go underneath the baseboards to make sure everything is tugged in. As you guys can see, we're down the corners of the door and making sure everything is underneath the door jambs and all. Here behind the door you can see it's all nice and neat, all done. And we're not going to do the front of the door here because we don't have the transition yet. But remember, when you're doing the cutting, you gotta first make sure to put a line like that, tug it all in right by the baseboard, and then we're done your cut, just take it a few centimeters over that line and cut it all across. That way you will have enough to go underneath. And here's the final product. All of the carpet has been installed. You can see it's all nice and neat. And that's it. That's how you install carpet. Thank you for staying with us. If you like the video, please subscribe.